All right, so let's talk about how to check a book out really quickly. Let's pretend that I already know the topic. So I want to read a book about school. I can go ahead and type school in here and then push enter. And when I do, I get all kinds of books. You can narrow it down to ebooks, audiobooks by different genres, things that are appropriate for you guys. We're going to come down and I'm going to check out this Finding Nemo book. Now, when I click on that book title or the cover of that book, it's going to give me a little synopsis right in this area where it will tell me about the book. And then if I scroll a little further down, I can, if I go here, I can read a sample. And so what will happen is the computer will open up a couple pages from the book and I can see if that seems like something I might want. Down below, it will make book recommendations. So these recommendations are all based on this book that I'm looking at right now. Let's pretend that I want to check that book out. Well, I'm just going to click borrow and the computer will check it out for you. Now, what will happen is you will get, okay, and so what will happen is you'll have a bar up top here and a bar on the bottom, and it's going to interfere with your reading. So just take your mouse or tap if you're using like an iPad, just click the middle of the screen and it'll get rid of it. Okay, don't worry about that. So all you got to do is just click the middle of the screen and that will get rid of it. Now, the default setting for me right now is to see only one page at a time. With this book, that's a pretty good choice, but with some of our other picture books, you might want to look at 2 pages at a time. And so if that's the case, then you will click towards the bottom. It'll pull the top and the bottom little banners up again, and then you'll just click on this circle right here. And now click in the middle again, you can see 2 pages at once. Like I said, for this one, that's kind of a lot of words going on. So I only want one. So I'm going to click on the bottom and go back. Then I'm going to get rid of this. So how in the world do I change pages? How do I go to the next one? You're going to take your mouse, go over to the right side of the screen and click. And every time you click, you will turn the page. But let's say you want to go back and reread something and look at something that you've already seen. You're just going to take your mouse over to the left side of the screen and click. Easy, 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 easy peasy. All right. Let's say that I'm done reading for today. I'm going to click the bottom, but let's say that I'm not finished with the book. I want to come back to it. All you got to do is click this little banner right here. This is the bookmark. And so what will happen is the next time you open up your book, it will open it up to that page where you put your bookmark at. All right, now I'm done. So I'm going to click close. And what I will see when I come to the shelf, so let's say this is a second day and you want to reread the book or you want to finish it. When you come to your shelf, you'll see all the books that you have checked out and you'll have a couple of options. So you can open your book, you can renew it if it's about to expire. You can return it if you finish it early. So you can click open the book and it will go ahead and open it. If you don't want to go through all that and you just want to click this, that does the exact same thing. So let's pretend that I've finished this book and I want to return it already. I'm just going to click options. I'm going to click return. Yes, I want to return the book and I'm done. And it will show here on your shelf, you'll see that it's not there anymore. Now somebody else can check it out. So if I want to look for a different book, I just come back to explore, explore again, and now I can continue to do that. So that's how you check a book in and out.